In this unique build, we're transforming everyday vehicle tires into solid concrete foundations, repurposing old materials into a practical, long-lasting base for a clothes-hanging structure. 4 used tires are selected, each one thoroughly inspected for damage, then cleaned to remove dirt and debris. These tires will serve as mold casings, shaping and holding the concrete in place. Next, attention shifts to the structural frame. Steel pipes are brought in and measured carefully. Using a cutting tool, the team trims them to the required lengths for vertical support and later for horizontal connections. This part of the process demands accuracy. The pipes must fit just right to ensure balance and symmetry. Now it's time for concrete mixing. A batch of sand, gravel, cement and water is combined into a thick, workable mixture. The team pours this mix directly into each tire, filling it to the top. The rubber of the tire provides a flexible mold, but the concrete gives the foundation real strength. As the concrete is poured, vertical steel pipes are inserted into the center of each tire. They're aligned with care, plumb, upright, and consistent in height. These pipes will carry the load of the hanging frame above, so their position is critical. After final checks for alignment, the concrete is left to cure. Over the next several hours, it will harden around the pipe, locking everything firmly in place. What began as scrap materials is now a durable base, ready to support the rest of the build. With the concrete bases fully cured and the upright pipes locked firmly into place, the team moves on to the next stage, assembling the full clothes hanger frame. First, they inspect the setup. The tires are stable, the concrete is solid, and the vertical pipes are standing tall and aligned. Using a tape measure, the team checks the distance between each base to ensure uniformity. This even spacing will provide the foundation for a balanced and sturdy structure. Now it's time to connect the uprights. Pre-cut horizontal pipes are brought in and fitted using elbow joints and T-connectors. Each joint is tightened and aligned to keep the structure square and level. The team works methodically, double-checking measurements, adjusting as needed, and making sure every connection is secure. Once all 4 uprights are joined, a rectangular frame begins to take shape, strong, symmetrical, and functional. The steel pipes form a continuous loop from one tire base to the next, creating a durable overhead frame that can support multiple items of clothing. The final touches involve reinforcing key points, adding brackets and extra screws where needed for long-term durability. The structure is tested for strength, with some gentle force applied to ensure there's no wobbling or weakness. At last, the transformation is complete. From scrap tires and raw steel pipes to a fully functional clothes-hanging stand, this build is a perfect example of practical DIY engineering. It's low-cost, eco-friendly, and built to last. What was once waste is now a useful, everyday structure. Simple, effective, and inspiring.